Hello there. Today we're going to try powder coat some motorbike parts in the prismatic powder Nocturnal Gold with the clear coat on top. From my last video I showed you guys that I'm waiting on a swing arm to come from eBay, and I just want to try this powder coating, this powder. I'm going to powder coat these guys and show you guys what it actually looks like. Start off by wiping everything down. It's all been sandblasted. These aren't all the parts, but these are some parts. They're sandblasted. Give them a quick wipe down with a rubber glove, and we're going to start coating. Looks really cool. I really wish I could have better lighting for it to come better through the camera. So yeah, now I'll wait for it to cool down and do the top coat, the clear coat. And yeah, that shot is just with the phone camera. It's really cool.